Most women want their businesses to give results in 1 week. Post 5 photos, get 100 orders. But here's the shocking truth. Your fashion business is not a kind of a lottery ticket. It's like a garden, and gardens doesn't bloom overnight. On my walk today, I saw some tiny flowers blooming, butterflies flying around, small little saplings growing through the dead leaves. Such beauty. But none of it happened in a day. It took water, it took care was required, sunlight, patience. That's exactly what your sari business needs. Many women start excited. They create an Instagram account, they post reels, 10 reels, 20 reels, wait for the orders. No results. And then they say, maybe this is not for me. But that's like planting seeds and expecting roses the next morning. Is that practically true? The truth is, it's not that seeds' fault. It's the lack of nurturing. Businesses are like plants. They need daily watering, consistent content, consistent marketing, learning, and patience. Imagine this. You nurture your fashion business like a plant. Every reel you post is like watering it. Every product you launch is like sunlight. And every small effort is like a fertilizer. Slowly it grows. And one day it blooms so beautifully that the customers, like butterflies or dragonflies, come rushing to it. And your small sari dream turns into crores. One of my members, Swati, she started with 0 sales for 3 months. She was frustrated. She lost trust in the process. And then she just gave it another try, and she trusted the process, nurtured her business daily. Today, her garden is so full of flowers. Her brand is blooming, attracting customers across India. So I ask you, will you throw away your seeds because they didn't grow overnight? Or will you water them daily and watch them bloom into the garden of your digital Mahalakshmi life? If you want to learn how to water your business the right way, come and walk with me. I'll show you how to grow your small seed into a thriving brand. Join my free masterclass today. The link is in the description.